I went into this boutique on that same day just to have a little bit of sightseeing, and I said, why don't I show you guys a few things and what they are called in Igbo language. This page is also giving Igbo vibes, right? This is akpụkpọ shoe. This is obele akpụkpọ because the feet is small, okay? And this other one is nnukwu akpụkpọ because the feet is bigger than the other one, right? And this other one I'm about to show you now is also called akpụkpọ. In Igbo, whatever you put on your foot is called akpụkpọ. It does not matter, okay? This is also obele akpụkpọ. That is small shoe because what you put it on your foot. This is nnukwu akpụkpọ. That is big shoe, okay? This is obele akpụkpọ, small shoe. This is uwe igwu mmiri, swimsuit, okay? This is uwe ogologo ọkpa, trouser. This is uwe nchuoyi, sweater or cardigan. This is uwe nchuoyi as well, that is sweater. And this is uwe ogologo ọkpa, that is trouser, okay? And this other one is also nnukwu akpụkpọ, big shoe.